Hello, welcome to my channel. Yes, my channel name has changed. A lot of people were asking me, hey, what's the name Sparkling Spirit has to do with? And people thought it was like a Halloween-y theme name. It had something to do with ghosts and spirits. I decided to rename my channel to be called as KlickLipstick. Click because I really want you to go click on my videos and look at them and hopefully get something really good out of it, or not, or just get a plain old good time, hang out, sip on coffee, come back and hang with me. Lipstick because I love lipstick. Anybody who knows me in person knows that I love lipstick a lot. The channel name of KlickLipstick works well to define who I am. I will be reviewing a lot of makeup products, everyday use products. I'm sure you'll find some good insights into what works, what doesn't work, especially on brown skin tone, I am originally from India, right now based in the US in Phoenix, Arizona. I will be reviewing a lot of lipsticks, at least one lipstick every time I make a video. A lip product will always be there on my channel. Lipstick and coffee, those are the two things that I go to. Okay, so that will be the short intro of why I'm renaming my channel from Sparkling Spirit, which I'm still Sparkling Spirit, I think. But now moving on to KlickLipstick. Do keep watching and come back and tell me how you feel. And as promised, the lipstick that I'm going to review is a very good matte lipstick. It is my go-to lipstick every single day, and sometimes I have to push myself to not use it. And I still haven't used a lot of it. There's a lot remaining. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon lipstick in the shade 45. I'll put the name here because it's too tiny to read and my eyes are not as good to read that. It does come in with its own sharpener and it works great, so you can keep that little point on the lipstick and not like blunt it, and it works great. You don't need to have a lip liner with it. It is a matte lipstick and it stays on all day, and I just want to say I love it. This is it for my intro. Just getting started. Come back, let me know what you think. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and more to come. Thank you.